You know, it was a really odd session that saw major indices under pressure from the opening bell, but it was also a great session for many individual stocks. And I tell you, that's the great news. You know, one legitimate beef about the 2017 rally is how much just 5 names have been responsible for the big overall move, while the vast majority of stocks are really only fractionally higher. Well, today, it was the exact opposite. In fact, on the New York Stock Exchange, there were almost 1,900 winners versus 1,000 losers, and volume, 70% better than down volume. Moreover, there were 119 new 52-week highs and only 31 stocks hit new lows. Same thing on NASDAQ. Almost 1,800 advancers, 1,200 decliners. Volume, 45% up volume above down volume. 140 stocks hit 52-week highs. Only 39 hit new lows. You know, I like the idea of rotation into these new names and new industries. And, well, today it was brick and mortar retailers. The biggest winner of the week, Foot Locker, up 34% this week. Everyone wrote them off. Now, all of these big moves, I will admit, were aided by massive short positions. You know, short positions where the smart Wall Street guys bet on the demise of American business. Gap Stores has a short position of 10% of the stock. Shoe Carnival, 12%. Abercrombie & Fitch, 23%. Hibbett Sports, 20%. The Buckle, 23%. Wall Street really wants those guys to go out of business. But I think brick and mortar is still something of a proxy for Main Street, even though more and more people obviously are shopping online. You know, though, here's the thing to remember. Often, the death of malls matched the plight seen with the death of Main Street. So we should cheer the impressive gains we saw in brick and mortar today. Now the housing revival. It continues to go very well today. Starts and permits came in significantly above Wall Street consensus. Housing starts in October up almost 14%. Single homes for 5%. Multifamily homes, you know, the condos and stuff, 37%. What about those permits for October? The annual rate, almost 1.3 million, up almost 6%. Single homes up almost 2%. Multi-homes up more than 13%. Now, I would say I personally like to see greater traction with single-family homes, although let's face it, multifamily housing reflects the current realities of millennials, right? Their desire to live in and around large urban areas. And then there's Elon Musk, who continues to be a controversial figure, both a hero and visionary to his fans, but P.T. Barnum to others. Last night, he unveiled the company's electronic truck, the Nikola One. It faces an array of hurdles, but apparently they say it gets 500 miles per charge, and that ultimately makes it less expensive than diesel. And Walmart, they're already committed to giving these trucks a tryout. Some say, though, this technology will never work, and if it does, it's going to put a lot of people out of work. You know, of course, this isn't the first time we tried electric trucks. In 1898, B. Altman & Sons, it was a major department store in New York City, ordered a bunch of electronic trucks from F.R. Wood & Sons. Now, I do think Elon Musk is a visionary, even though he's rehashing old ideas, and I even have traders in his stock right now, but I'd also admit he's got a touch of P.T. Barnum in him as well. All right, folks, hold those stocks. Don't be afraid.